All right, guys. So here goes another part of 214097. It's a spare. It's a 2015 built-in 14, and here with another video of it. I decided to make another video of it, so because. But you see, as I see the inside of it, the floor is a little rusted on the side, on the floor. Each side is rusted on the floor. Even the seat is a little rusty, a little bit. This seat right here. Some of the seats are fading, like this one, these three right here, too. But developer did a good job detailing the buses like this, where it's like rusty and all that. The seat, you know what I'm saying. It's like it's 14. This is 11-year-old bus. Well, 14. It was built in 14. It's a 15 model year. So yeah, I did a good job detailing this bus. This bus in particular. This spare. Yeah. See, like even the the thing is a little rusty right here too. It's a little scratched up. Like I said, once again, here's our bus rules and stuff. Seats numbered and everything on the side of the bus. You know what I'm saying? So you got your roof things, emergency exits, AC stuff, all that. Yeah, you also got one, two cameras on this bus too. You know, so yeah. 's got two stickers, service due stickers on it. One got 185,000, one got 200,000 miles. So this bus must hit 200,000 miles already. I'm guessing. Yeah. Walk around a bit. Like I said, the roof a little rusty. Even the number is kind of fading. The number, yeah. But the outside of the bus, it's always too tight around this corner. At least you can see the interior up close and personal. Up here, this close from the outside. Yeah, you can see that. The inside. But yeah. (2015) Bluebird Vision V10 propane.